Hello Year 5. Now over the last few weeks you've done really well to improve your recall of your multiplication and division facts on TT Rockstars. You're very competitive in the tournaments and there's really good speeds coming from some of you, so I'm really impressed with how quick you are at recalling those facts. And you also did brilliant last week on the White Rose work as well, so thank you for all of the people that emailed that work into the teachers. Now this puzzle is called Which Number Where, and the aim of the puzzle is to find how to solve the three target products 48, 21 and 360. There are 9 numbers along the top in orange boxes, and those numbers need to be used to solve this puzzle. You can only use those numbers once, so you can't use the number 8 twice or the number 3 times, and those numbers need to be placed into the yellow boxes. So you need 3 numbers that multiply together to give 48, 3 numbers that multiply together to give 21, and 3 numbers that multiply together to give 360. Now you're going to need a little strategy in order to solve these puzzles, and what I'm going to do is share with you my strategy. Now I decided that I was going to start off by placing the numbers 7 and 5 in the yellow boxes. Now I placed the number 7 in the middle row because I know that 7 is a factor of 21. And I placed the number 5 in the bottom row because 360 is a multiple of 5. All multiples of 5 end in a 5 or a 0. 21 and 48 don't have a 5 or a 0 in the ones column, so they're not multiples of 5. Then I decided to try and complete the middle row. I know that 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So 21 multiplied by 1 will still be 21. So I placed the numbers 3 and 1 into the middle row. I then looked at the top row, and I know I have to make the target product of 48. And I know that 8 times 6, or 6 times 8, is 48. But I've got a problem, because my target product is 48 and I've still got one yellow box left. Now 48 multiplied by 1 is 48, but because I've already used that number 1, I can't use it again, so I'm going to have to change the order of the numbers that I put into that top row. I've decided that I'm going to use the numbers 6 and 2, because 6 times 2 is 12. 12 multiplied by something is 48. What do I multiply by 12 to give me 48? Well, I know that 12 fours are 48, so I'm going to place the number 4 into that top row. Now that leaves me with 2 more numbers, the number 8 and the number 9. I know that 8 times 5 is 40. Now how many 40s are there in 360? Well, how many 4s are there in 36? I know that 9 times 4 is 36. So 9 multiplied by 40 should be 360. Now I've placed that number 9 in, you can see that I've got that target product of 360. I've got 6 times 2 times 4 is 48, 7 times 3 times 1 is 21, 5 times 8 times 9 is 360. So I've completed the puzzle by using the numbers 1 to 9. I haven't repeated using any numbers, and they're all placed into the yellow boxes. Now once you finish watching the video, if you scroll down the page you will find some similar tasks that you can have a go at completing. Watch my video back if you need any more help or any more support. Thank you for watching.